Here is how to build loops with the repeater module in make.com step by step. Start by logging into make.com and opening the scenario where you want the loop to run. This is the scenario that will contain the repeated action, so make sure you are in the correct one before making any changes. Once the scenario is open, look at the workflow area where your modules are arranged. Click the plus button to add a new module. In the search field, type repeater, then select the repeater module from the results and place it in the scenario. The repeater module is what controls how many times the following modules will run. So this is the point where the loop begins. After the module opens, go to the initial value field. Enter the number you want the repeater to start counting from. If you want it to begin at the first count, enter 1. This value sets the starting point for the loop counter, which can be useful if later modules need to reference that count during each repetition. Next, move to the repeats field and enter the total number of times you want the loop to run. For example, if you enter 3, the modules that come after the repeater will run 3 times. Make sure this is the total number of repetitions you want, because this setting determines how many times the sequence continues during a single scenario run. Once both fields are filled in, click Save to confirm the repeater settings. That stores the loop configuration and returns you to the scenario canvas, where you can continue building the workflow. Now click the plus button after the repeater module. Add the modules that you want to run during each repetition of the loop. Anything placed after the repeater in this part of the route will execute each time the loop cycles. If you are connecting several modules, place them in the order you want them to run during every repeat. With the modules in place, test the loop by clicking Run once, watch the execution closely, and verify that the modules after the repeater run the number of times you specified. This is the point where you confirm that the repeat count is correct and that the modules are executing in the expected sequence. If the run completes, check the scenario output and the execution path to confirm the loop behavior matches your settings. When the test looks correct, click Save again to keep the scenario updates. Then switch the scenario on so the automation becomes active. Saving preserves the loop in the scenario, and turning the scenario on allows it to run as part of your automation going forward. Your make.com scenario now includes a repeater loop that runs the following modules the number of times you specified.